Good morning, children. How are you? As I am thinking, you all will have safe because you all stay at home. Now let's we have a look. Yesterday, what we had studied, and as I remember, I have already taught you the equations related s बराबर ut plus half at square और v square is equal to u square plus twice as. This has been proved by graphical representation. Now I would like to prove it by mathematical conclusion. For your kind information, as we know, average velocity is equal to v plus u बटे 2. That is v is equal to v plus u बटे 2. Okay. Now as we know that distance or displacement is equal to velocity into time, so that s is equal to average velocity into time, that is v plus u oblique 2 into t. It is clear? Now let's we have a look beta. S is equal to u plus at plus u oblique 2 into t. Am I right? Because since v is equal to u plus at. Now 2u plus at into t by 2. Now once again imply that s is equal to 2ut plus at into t by 2, that is s is equal to 2ut oblique 2 plus at square oblique 2, plus that s is equal to ut plus half at square. Okay. Okay. Now this will be as usual as we have already studied. Another look. Distance traveled in nth second. That is Tn is equal to Sn minus 1 minus Sn Sn minus 1. Now as we know, S is equal to ut plus half at square, or Sn is equal to un plus half an square. First equation, and Sn minus 1 is equal to un minus 1 plus half a into n minus 1 का whole square. This is the second equation. Now Tn is equal to Sn minus 1. This is un plus half an squared minus un minus u plus half a n square minus 2n plus 1. This one is equal to un plus half a n square minus un plus u minus half a n square plus half a into 2n minus half a un plus minus. Now this one is equal to u plus an minus half a. Or it can be written also u minus now comes back. we have already studied about the acceleration. Now uniform or non-uniform acceleration. When an object changes equal velocities in equal interval of time, then it is said the uniform acceleration. Uniform. Non-uniform when an object covers unequal an object changes unequal velocities in equal interval of time, and then it is said that non-uniform acceleration. Eyes velocity, sometimes it increases, sometimes constant, sometimes as usual. This is time. Okay. Let's we have another start. graphical representation of these physical quantities. Of these physical quantities. Height, speed, velocity, acceleration. For the first speed, that is speed is equal to distance oblique time. So representation of a speed on distance time graph. Thus distance time graph will represent the speed. Only the time is that factor. It never be zero, neither negative. Yeah, always it is positive. Always goes forward. ये हमेशा बढ़ते रहता है, कभी घटता नहीं है. इसीलिए हमेशा आधार के साथ चलता है, बेस के साथ चलता है. This is the distance. If suppose you have to show the uniform speed, then it will be as uniform speed or and whenever if you want to show constant, then it will be as usual. Another point, displacement time graph will show the velocity representation. While velocity time graph will show the acceleration. Suppose it starts from here, this is the time, it is accelerates, and after some time it comes constant. This is the constant. It means final and initial both velocities are 0. It means acceleration becomes 0, and then after it retards. Change in velocities. This is the time, and suppose it starts from origin point, x-axis, y-axis. It accelerates. It means it increases its velocity, and after t second interval it goes as usual. It means very constant. Then there is no change. Both initial and final both velocities are equal. In such a case, final velocity, it means acceleration will be 0. So that, and this is the constant, and then after it just goes down. This is the retardation, A, B, and this is the C. Okay, this is the constant. Accelerates position constant, and here retard, it means decreases. This shows the velocity time graph. Okay, thank you. Stay home, be safe. Wash your hand with soap for 20 to 30 seconds after 2 or 1 hour intervals in the entire day. Thank you, beta, and once again we will meet you for tomorrow.